Let's not comment on my drawing skills, okay? I am excited to show you something that you and your kids are gonna love. If you like to paint rocks, this is a much easier alternative. These are glitter paint pens. They were sent to me from Artistro to share with you, and I can't wait to show you how smoothly these work. There are 12 beautiful colors that come in this set, and as soon as you take them out, look at all that glitter in there. These are gonna sparkle. The first time you use these, and in fact every time you use them, you should always shake them up. See how that is a totally white tip to begin? You're gonna press down, pump it a few times, and before you know it, that tip will be the color that you need. Watch what that looks like. Now these are fine tipped. These come in different tip sizes, but if you like to get detailed in your rock paintings or anything you might do on glass or something, look at how nice and fine that tip is. And you're still getting that gorgeous glittery sheen. So it's highly pigmented, very rich in color, but you can still get those fine lines. Let's not comment on my drawing skills, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and use the other colors on here and show you what they look like when I'm done. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. These are the extra fine 0.7 millimeter ones, but they also do come in a fine 1 millimeter, medium 1 to 3 millimeter, as well as a brush style. Look at how fine those lines are. I could actually do them more fine than that, but I was kind of trying to fill them all in there. If you have a bigger area to cover, you might want to go for the thicker tips. Happy crafting. I hope this was helpful.